This is Elyria, a web search engine that can run offline, so your AI agents have access to your favorite parts of the internet without any internet at inference time. And you, as a human, can also access the web search through your favorite browser. It offers MCP support, so your LLM and agents can seamlessly access the web search. For example, here I am using Llama CPP's web UI and have added the engine as an MCP server. Here I am asking it about any papers on robot vision. By the way, I am using Qwen 3.54 billion model. It instantly uses web search and you can see the output. I can also ask further about a paper and it will fetch the actual content. I can ask things like what's Qdrant Edge, how does that work? By the way, I can also search it here. Maybe I want to know about any news on Google, Gemini or their search. And it is not limited to Llama CPP. Any agent that supports MCP can just add this MCP server. By the way, now you may be wondering how is that even working in the first place. Here is how it works. Users add sitemaps of their favorite sites. Our crawler crawls every URL and also recrawls if needed. We chunk everything and pass it via fast embed create, which uses BGEM3 model that embeds everything into 384 dimensional space. We store everything into Qdrant Edge and also with URL payload. We also store metadata and page content in SledDB. On top of everything, we have web UI for the human and model context protocol so LLMs and agents can access web content. For example, here I am searching about Richie Mini Robot and can even copy the link to my agent of choice and can ask further questions. In my case, I have added Hugging Face blogs and papers, Qdrant and Cloudflare blogs, Wired.com, and Benton and Supernatural fandom subdomains. I personally think that as agents and LLMs become more and more capable to run on consumer devices, the bottleneck will be access to the web. Search APIs just cost too much. Privacy is another insane factor. In this case, there is no one spying on you. What do you search, how many times you search, or what is the rate limit? It doesn't matter. You can just own your favorite parts of the internet at zero cost.